Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how to make Chrome use less RAM. So in this tutorial, I'm going to share with you step-by-step process to do that. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel if you like this video. So let's get started. First we open Google Chrome. My Google Chrome is open now. Simply click on these three dots and here you select settings. So this is my settings page, and now select performance, which is available on left hand side. Simply select that one, and friend, here you find out memory. Okay, here you can see that this is memory saver option. You simply click on it, and here this will automatically enable this memory saver option. If you want to save more memory, you simply click on this maximize. Okay, so maximum memory will be saving by this way. So friend, by this way you can easily save your RAM by Google Chrome. So friend, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of videos every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.